request to everyone, if you can please move forward in the seats and come a little closer. Evening to one and all. We are assembled here today in remembrance of our Guruji, Pandit D.B. Harindraji. A few words about Guruji: a veteran musician, a writer, a walking encyclopedia, and a teacher par excellence. A name which is synonymous with discipline and integrity among the music fraternity. He was much revered for his simplicity and modesty. Pandit Harindra was among the first few musicians to bring Hindustani music to the city of Bangalore. He was born in Harihar in 1924. His father was the well-known lexicographer D.K. Bharadwaj. Pandit Harindraji's interest in music was kindled at a very young age of 5 years, and he took his first steps into the world of music under the able guidance of Carnatic vocalist Vidwan H. Sheshgiri Raoji. However, his father's association with Pandit Taranathji exposed him to the wonderful music of Hindustani classical vocal. He found a cogent and impeccable guru in Pandit Shankar Sadashiv Joshi in the year 1942. He further augmented his training with Pandit Shankar Dikshit Jantaliji and Pandit Ramrao Naikji for another 10 years. His keen and creative mind, never content with just reproductions of his guru's lessons, systematically explored and experimented with various aspects of music. Especially noteworthy was his research on rare Aprachalit rags. The outcome of his meticulous research was prolific writings on the topic, with contributions to various publications on music and lectures to acquaint the uninitiated and masters of the art alike with the intricate nuances of music. Some of his outstanding contributions to music literature are his article in Bharatiya Kaladarshan, his extension lecture on Hindustani music published by the Bangalore University, and his paper on the role of Kannada in Hindustani music tomorrow at the World Kannada Meet in the year 1985. The growth of his musical career saw him performing at many prestigious forums. He was an AR artist for over 3 decades, an examiner for music exams across nationals at State and Gandharva Mahavidyalaya of Mumbai. He was awarded many prestigious honors from the state as well as central government. A unique feature of Pandit Harindra's performances was rendering rags, which were seldom included in most artists' repertoire. To celebrate this occasion, in memory of our Guruji, we have with us today Srimati Dr. Purvi Nimgaonkarji, who has come all the way from Indore. And I really would like to commend her, first of all, her patience and her health. Actually, we just landed at 3:10 at Bangalore, and she has just arrived. Born in the royal family of musicians, Dr. Purvi Nimgaonkarji has been blessed with the natural talent of music in her genes. Her grandfather, late Pandit Dattatreya Balwant Dikshit, was the state vocalist at the royal court at Dhar district of Madhya Pradesh in India. Her father and guru, late Shri Sudhakar Dikshitji, disciple of Ustad Amir Khan Saheb of Indore, was a renowned vocalist of repute. She started learning Gwalior Gharana Shaili from her parents. She has received a master's degree with a gold medal in music from the Devi Alaya University, Indore. She also holds a PhD degree for the research work on the comparative study collection of bandishes written by famous Pandit Ganpatrao Gavaiji of Gwalior Gharana. Her first stage performance was at the age of 9 years, and she has performed at the national level in various youth festivals and also includes a gold medal in the category of Western music. She performs various facets of music like classical, semi-classical, and devotional music. She has been recently empaneled for ICCR New Delhi. She has performed at various prestigious music festivals, to mention a few: Ustad Alauddin Khan Sangeet Kala Academy, Bhopal; Meera Samaroh, Bharat Bhavan, Bhopal; the Mandu Festival of MP; Kalidas Samaroh, Ujjain; All India Radio, and other music programs at Mumbai, Delhi, Nagpur, etc. She has also represented Madhya Pradesh in the famous musical show Saregama, organized by the ZTV. She has composed music for stage shows called Stri Shilpi, including classical dance performances and dramas. She has also composed a musical feature on the legendary poet Tulsidas Ji for the Tulsi Parv. Presently, she is learning the advanced lessons of vocal under the able guidance of legendary vocalist Vidushi Dr. Ashwini Bhide Deshpande of the Jaipur Atrauli Gharana, and has been blessed by her guru for her renditions of taranas, thumri, bhajans, and bandish in unconventional rags and talas. We welcome you to Bangalore, ma'am. always present for our support, and with Purvi ji on accompaniment for the harmonium today is Pandit Ashwin Valavalkar ji. A harmonium and a santoor artist. He was born in a musical family, started learning harmonium from his father, Guru Pandit Shriram Valavalkarji. He later switched to the santoor. Presently, he is learning under the able guidance of Padma Shri Pandit Satish Vyasji of Mumbai. He has performed many santoor solo concerts in Mumbai, Bangalore, Trivandrum, Kottayam, to name a few. He is a B-high grade artist in santoor and harmonium of All India Radio and has accompanied renowned Hindustani classical artists like Pandit Venkatesh Kumarji, Pandit Jaitiyat Mewundi ji, Pandit Kaivalya Kumarji, to name a few. We welcome you, sir. On the tabla, accompanying Purvi ji today, is my younger brother, Adarsh. He was initiated into music by our grandparents, Shri K.G. Shenoy and Srimati Radha Shenoy, and parents, Shri Satish Shenoy and Srimati Shweta Shenoy. He started learning at the tender age of 8 years from Shri Nagaraj Rao Gaikwadji. He is continued in the Farokabad style under Pandit Rajgopal Kalurkarji and is presently learning from Pandit Yogesh Samshiji of Mumbai. He has also learned the Carnatic Tala system under Vidwan Anur Anant Krishna Sharmaji. He is a B-high graded artist of All India Radio. He has got a Vidvat from the KACEB, and he held the second rank for the Sangeet Alankar from the Gandharva Mahavidyalaya, Mumbai. He holds an MBA in finance from ICFI and is currently working at HP for global analytics. He is the founder member of Vidyut, a fusion band. He is part of various groups like Laya Lahari, Mangal Dhwani, Laya Taranga, and has accompanied a lot of junior and senior vocalists and instrumentalists. We welcome Adarsh on the stage. For the Tanpura support, as usual, we have Shri Jagannath with us. Thank you so much for being here, sir. This program is brought to you by our family trust, Ninad Sangeet Sagar Foundation. And we would like to welcome Purvi ji and the other accompanying artists on stage with a small bouquet on behalf of Ninad Trust. I request Shri Ravi Harindra ji to please come on to the stage. He is Guruji's son. Ji. Pandit Ashwin. Shri Adarsh Shenoy and Shri Jagannath. Also, would like just to announce a very small but a very joyous thing for this date, that we have come out with the reprint of Pandit Harindra ji's book, that is Tarana Tarang. It's a compilation of 101 Taranas across 87 rags. So the books are available outside. If anyone would like to purchase, please do so. So we hand over the stage to the artists. Thank you.
मंच पर हम सभी कलाकार आज आपका स्वागत करते हैं और आज अभिजीत जी के गुरु की स्मृति में हम यहाँ संगीत के माध्यम से उनको आज हम याद कर रहे हैं। मेरी प्रस्तुति में मैं राग भोपाली से शुरुआत कर रही हूँ। शुरुआत में विलंबित 3 ताल की बंदिश है, उसके बाद आधा 3 ताल। कुछ बातें कहना चाहती हूँ। जैसा कि हमारा संगीत बहुत प्राचीन है और इसमें गुरु शिष्य परंपरा का अत्यंत महत्व रहा है, तो संगीत की सेवा करने वाले प्रत्येक व्यक्ति का ये धर्म है कि वो अपने गुरु को निरंतर याद करें, उससे ली हुई संगीत की शिक्षा निरंतर प्रचार प्रसार उसका होता रहे और हम अपने गुरुओं को याद कर संगीत की सेवा निरंतर करते रहे। इसका माध्यम होता है शिष्य। अभिजीत जी को मैं आज बधाई देती हूँ कि जो गुरु जी की याद में आप सबको एकत्र करते हैं और इतने अच्छे संगीत का आयोजन हम यहाँ करते हैं। मैं चाहती हूँ आप उनके लिए ज़ोरदार तालियाँ। शुरुआत कर रही हूँ राग भोपाली से। पहली बंदिश के बोल हैं प्रथम सुर साध। सुर सा सा सुर सा
सा
सुरा सा क्या बात है? सहेला रे मिल गाए, सहेला रे मिल गाए, सहेला रे मिल गाए, सहेला रे, सहेला रे मिल जसपति मैं आपको 2 बंदिशें सुना रही हूँ। भगवान कृष्ण पर ये बंदिश आधारित है, मेरे गुरु अश्विनी बेड़े जी की है। कमल नयन वारो श्याम मारो, अधर मधुर पर बंसी धारो, कमल नयन वारो। छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम। छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे। छेड़ो न मोहे, छेड़ो न, छेड़ो न, छेड़ो न, छेड़ो न, छेड़ो न, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, इतनी विनती मोरी मान ले, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम। छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, इतनी विनती मोरी मान ले, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न, छेड़ो न, छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम। क्या छेड़ो न मोहे श्याम कन्हैया, छेड़ो न मोहे। पनिया भरन दे हो मोहे जमुना, पनिया भरन दे हो मोहे जमुना, पनिया भरन दे हो मोहे जमुना, जमुना छेड़ो न मोहे जमुना। आपका फरमाइश सर आंखों पर है, अगली बार ज़रूर याद करिए, मैं दुर्गा आपको ज़रूर सुनाऊंगी।
I request Ravi ji to please come to the stage and speak a few words about Guruji.
Good evening. I think whatever has to be said about my father has already been told by Abhijit, and then he is doing whatever his dream was. To put it in a nutshell, I could say he was a highly disciplinarian person. Just like there is no day where the sun doesn't rise. I used to hear his riyas every day early morning, 5 o'clock. Sometimes due to his old age, he would get up at 2:30 itself and then thinking that it's time for him to riyas. Then we used to get disturbed also sometimes. That's how things were happening. And he continued to learn music. That's what I am really surprised. The present day artist also, she's still learning, she says. So much similarity I find. Apart from she's from the same gharana which my father was, I am very lucky to hear the same music again today at a most appropriate time. He also used to learn music from various people. In fact, I still remember when Abhi used to come for his presentation, once he told that whatever I had to give you, I have finished. There is nothing more I can give. It is for you to develop. This is something which he picked up from his Guruji, Shankar Joshi Devgiri. He said after teaching for about 3 to 5 years, he said it's nothing more I had to give. It is for you to explore. Same way Abhi also had learned for quite a few years, and then he was told to develop on his own. And then true to his whatever genre, as you can see today, he used to come and present, and then I used to see his father waiting for him, thinking that it will get over in an hour. And it will never used to be over by 1 hour or 2 hours. Sometimes the Guru Shishya used to go on with exploring the new things, whatever he has found out, and then doing the presentation. Then at a particular moment, he mentioned, no, I think I had to pick something from you also now. It's no more, I am a Guru, now I am a Shishya for you. This is the way he used to be so modest. This is what he learned from his Guru. And then he continued to live a very simple life, happy life, a contented life. And then his passion was only for music. As he was made to retire 3 years in advance, thanks to Devarajar's chief minister's some legislation they passed. But he was so happy that I am relieved from my routine school teacher's job. Now I can devote 24 hours to music only. This was his passion. So beyond this, I can't say anything. And it is very nice to see Abhi is taking it forward, whatever his dream was. And then he's bringing the best artists, not only from Bangalore, the budding artists, also very experienced people. I'm really amazed with the whatever previous history she has, and then way she is presenting today. And she's still learning, that's what she says. It's a very, very peculiar to hear. And I am so happy. I think with these few words, I would like to conclude my statement. And then Ninad is doing a wonderful job. All those people who can have their might, please contribute towards Ninad so that they can do more and more work in the field of music, so that we can bring more and more nice artists like her for this particular evening. Thank you so much.
On behalf of Ninad Sangeet Sagar Foundation, I would request the niece of Pandit Harindraji, Srimati Netraji, to please come on stage to kindly hand over a token of our gratitude to the artists of the evening.
एक दादरा सुना रही हूँ। गिरजा देवी जी जो लीजेंडरी आर्टिस्ट हुई हैं, उनका गाया हुआ है। कोशिश करती हूँ आपके सामने। ऐसे हो रे न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसे हो रे न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसे हो रे न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसे हो रे न खेलो कन्हाई रे, ऐसे हो रे न खेलो। तन मन रंग सब, तन मन रंग सब, शाम तुम जानत, हाँ तन मन रंग सब, शाम तुम जानत, शाम तुम जानत, शाम तुम जानत, शाम तुम जानत, तन मन रंग सब, शाम तुम जानत, हाँ जाओ जाओ कन्हाई, हाँ जाओ जाओ कन्हाई, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई रे, ऐसी होली न खेलो, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई, कन्हाई, ऐसी होली, ऐसी होली न खेलो, ऐसी होली न खेलो, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई, कन्हाई, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई, ऐसी होली न खेलो, ऐसी होली न खेलो, ऐसी होली न खेलो कन्हाई।
And all of you, I would like to thank the artists of the evening, Dr. Purvi Nimgaonkar ji, Pandit Ashwin Valawalkar ji, Adarsh Shenoy, and Shri Jagannath. I would also like to thank the staff and Shri Ramu of Gokhale Institute and all of you for being such a wonderful audience. And a very good night to all of you. Thank you.